YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss surface area of right circular cone. Surface area of right circular cone is there. So let's start with the question number 1. Here question number 1 is find the total surface area of a solid cone if slant height is 21 centimeter. For the right circular cone we are given that slant height is 21 centimeter. Slant height of the cone is 21 centimeter and diameter of its base is 24 centimeter. Diameter of the base is 24 centimeter. So for this solid cone you have to find the total surface area. Question is find total surface area of this right circular solid cone. Done. So here we require value of radius. So diameter is given, so radius is half of the diameter, so it's a 12 centimeter. Radius is half of the diameter, so diameter is 24 centimeter, so we can write radius is 12 centimeter. So now to find the total surface area we are having formula. Total surface area of a right circular cone is its curved surface area plus base. Base is circle with radius r, it's a pi r square. So formula is pi r l plus r. Put the value of pi, it's a 22 by 7. Radius r is 12, l plus r, l is 21 plus r is 12. Here simplification, it's a 22 into 12 multiply by, this one is 33 divided by 7. So here you have to perform the multiplication of this numerator and we are getting our answer as 8712 by 7 centimeter square. Done. This is first question. Very simple question is there in which we have to find the total surface area of right circular cone, in which slant height and diameter of base is given. Now students, next question. In fact very good question is there. So here we are given that what length of canvas 3 meter wide. A canvas is given which is 3 meter wide. So this is length and this is breadth. So breadth of canvas is given which is 3 meter wide. So here you have to find the value of this length. What length of this canvas which is 3 meter wide is required to make the conical tent of height 8 meter. This is used to make the conical tent. So now this canvas is used as a curved surface area of this conical tent. Done. So this is conical tent whose height is h and base of radius is r. So here this canvas is used as a curved surface area of this cone and the dimension of this cone are given. Here the height of this cone is given. The height of the cone is 8 meter and radius of base of this conical shaped tent is 6 meter, and also we are given that use pi equal to 3.14. Done. So this is your question. What length of this canvas require? What length of this canvas which is 3 meter wide this require to make the conical tent of height 8 meter whose radius of base is 6 meter. Done. So this canvas is used at the curved surface area of this cone. So now we can compare the curved surface area of this cone with this total area of this canvas. So now we can say that area of canvas that is equal to curved surface area of cone. And for the formula of curved surface area we know that it's a pi r l, and here h and r is given, value of the slant height is not given. So before starting this solution we have to find the value of this slant height l. So we know the formula to find the slant height L of the cone is square root of h square plus r square, and this is equal to square root of h square 8 square plus 6 square, that is equal to 100, and that is equal to 10 meter. So value of L is 10 meter, that is derived from this formula. Done. So now area of canvas, that is equal to L into B equal to curved surface area of cone, which is equal to pi r L. This L and this L both are different. Suppose this is L1, this is L2, L1, L2. Slant height L is there. So L1 into B, length of this canvas that is required to be find. Breadth of this canvas is given, this is equal to 3, equal to pi given 314 by 100 into R 6 into L2 10. So this 0 0 cut, 3 to the 6 is cut. So L1 equal to 628 by 10. So length of canvas is 62.8 meter. This much amount of length of canvas is required to make the conical tent of this dimension. Clear? This is comparison of area of canvas with the curved surface area of this right circular cone. Clear students? Now pause the video and note it down. Question number 3. So here, circumference of base of 24 meter high wooden cone is 44. So wooden cone is given, whose height is given. So height of this wooden cone is given 24 meter, and circumference of base is given 44 meter. So for this wooden cone, we have to find the curved surface area. Find the curved surface area. So now to find the curved surface area, we require radius of base and slant height L. Both dimensions are not given. Instead of these two dimensions, height and circumference of base is given. So by using this circumference of base, we will try to find the value of base, radius of base, and by using h and r, we will find the value of this slant height L. So now curved surface, circumference of base, which is a circle with radius r, hence this is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is given 44, this is equal to 2 pi r. Pi is 22 by 7 into r, 22 to the 44 cut, so r is 7 meter. Radius of base is 7 meter. So now we can find the value of slant height L, and that is equal to h square plus r square, and this is equal to h square 24 square plus r square, that is 7 square. So this is equal to 576 plus 49. So L equal to square root of 625, and hence slant height of the cone is 25 meter. 25 meter. Now we are having radius r and slant height L, so we can find curved surface area of this cone. So curved surface area of this cone is formula pi r L. So this is equal to pi 22 by 7. Radius r is 7. Slant height L is 25. So here 7 cut, 25 into 22 into 25, 25 to the 50 and 55. So 550 meter square is the curved surface area of this right circular cone. Clear students? 3 mark question is there. Pause the video and note it down. students, now question number 4. So here fourth question is the height of the cone 60 meter and base of radius is 12 meter. Height of the cone is 16 centimeter and base of radius is 12 centimeter. Radius of base is 12 centimeter. Base radius is 12 centimeter and the height of cone is 16 centimeter. For this cone we have to find the curved surface area and total surface area. Find curved surface area and total surface area, and given that pi equal to 3.14. Simple, just apply the formula. For that we require the value of L. Slant height L is h square plus r square, and this is equal to h square 16 square plus r square 12 square. This is equal to 256 plus 12 square 144, and that is equal to 400. So square root of 400 is 20. So our answer is slant height L is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Slant height of the cone is 20 centimeter. Now first question, find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of the cone is pi r L. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius of base is 12 and slant height L is 20. Slant height L is 20. Here we have to use pi equal to 3.14. So pi is 3.14 by 100 into L, which is equal to 20. So this one is cutting. Again done mistake. R is 12. क्या हो रहा है? Pi is 314 by 100. R is 12 and L is 20. 0 0 cut. Perform multiplication. 314 into 24 by 10. 314 into 24 by 10. Seven five three six. It's a 753.6 centimeter square is the curved surface area. This one is curved surface area. Similarly, we can find the total surface area. Formula is total surface area of cone is pi r. L plus r. Value of pi is 314 by 100. 314 by 100 into r, which is 12. L plus r. L is 20, r is 12. 20 plus 12. So this one is 314 into 12 into 32 by 100. इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन मैं नहीं करने वाला हूँ. I will just give you answer. So our answer is 1205.76 centimeter square is the total surface area. Done. So pause the video. Okay friends, now question number 5. Fifth question. Here find the total surface area of cone. Right circular cone is there. So here you have to find the total surface area. Total surface area of right circular cone whose radius is r by 2. Small r by 2. So we are considering radius as a r, capital R, and slant height is 2L. So considering slant height as a capital L, which is twice of L. So this right circular cone we have to find total surface area. So formula, total surface area is pi r into L plus r. So this is equal to pi 22 by 7 radius r, which is equal to r by 2 slant height L, is twice of L radius. This will be considered as a capital R, and that R is small r by 2. So this one is 11 2s are 22, so 11 r by 7, 2 2s are 4L, 4L plus r by 2. Done. So this is the answer. आपको इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके लिखना हो तो लिखो 11 4 ज़ा 44 L R बाय 7 2 ज़ा 14 प्लस 11 R square by 2 is the answer. Done. Pause the video and note it down.